the opening match, and that was Kabul Zulme that they outclassed in the super over. Waleed was excellent with the ball, conceded only 4 runs in the last over and got 2 wickets, and that was the turning point of the match. Zulme chased that with the help of some, bloody hits. Outstanding mighty powers by Siddiq Pacha.
I think he's coming with 1 bat. Or one is having double bats.
Yeah, Imran. So here is the first delivery of the final. Oh, nipping away. A classic start.
Having seen so far, the seam bowlers are a bit expensive.
Outstanding batting performance yesterday. Shot of the day. What a class.
In the very first appearance, mid-wicket is the target for a boundary. Only presented his bat.
This was a very poor delivery right on his legs, and he flicked that one, as you described it earlier, towards the mid-wicket for a classic boundary. Sheer power and sheer elegance. Experience, guys. Picked it up. The ball is again going towards the boundary line. No chance in the deep for anyone to stop another boundary.
Pulled that nicely. Great control. So here he picks up the ball quite nicely after a couple of bounces, crossing the boundary line.
Again, this is the 3rd boundary in the first over, and all the boundary comes from the bat of Baitullah. Excellent start. 13 on the bird for no loss for KKR.
Now look at the timing. Just flick that. Even there is a fielder deep square leg. Can't stop such a talent.
Boundaries. Appeal, and given. So the first victim, Baitullah, is gone. Catch taken by the wicketkeeper. Strong appeal.
Baitullah cannot believe that caught behind. Quicker one. Juma Sultani, most upon the wicket taker. The ball really was close to the bat. In Mahmood, after taking some time, then Afghan the finger in a flash, give him the out. The first one down after scoring 3 boundaries by Baitullah.
Baitullah who has bat. Yeah! Bowl him! Knocks him over.
Straight away, first ball, golden duck. Couldn't read the ball, right coming into the stumps. A quicker one, rattling the stumps here.
Look at that perfect arm ball. A quicker one in there. Rattles the furniture, and Jan Mohammed is back to the pavilion. The second victim, and a very big one this time. Now.
What a shot! Absolutely driven that down the ground for a boundary. A half volley, high elbow punched, races away to the boundary line.
Pure class, a cracking drive. No chance to the fielder in the circle to stop that boundary. This is the 4th boundary. And
short pitch one, goes for an uppercut, and the ball lanes over the boundary line for Ashpagiza, the first in the final.
Another classic shot. This time the ball goes over the line for really 6 runs, half a dozen. A classic boundary is followed by an outstanding shot.
In what a knock that has been from another super knock, high elbow punched. Once again he crosses and goes for the boundary.
Oh, this time the wicketkeeper was not able to collect it. Goes. This is absolutely a great slog sweep shot. Out of the boundary, or maybe a couple of the bounces. The field again. The team. Oh, he prefers the same area where the fielder was set. Some devastation. Full toss. And the full toss is going. It's a no ball. A lot of deliveries. He goes for a big one. Erected the ball. A skyer. The fielder is coming around, but he puts it down. That was even not a catch because the ball catch the ball. Beauty. Oh, you beauty, Imran. He doesn't only serve.
Rohala appealing. Almost I thought it's going to the referee, but the ball is beat.
دګر ساتونکی به ځکه نه یي چې وټان دی یو شپږ منډې ترلاسه کیږي. رحمت شوې ده چې ډېر ښکلی ښکاري د ډرون له سترګو کټ دی
لیټ کټ او څلور منډې توپ اچونه د سپینر په وړاندې ده. ایج او ټیکن عمران میر
غټه وکټ پاور هیټر عمران میر میدان پرېږدي او روح الله بریالی دی چې د روان اوور د 2 څلوریزو غچ واخلي. تکرار هغه څنګه خپله وکټ د لاسه ورکړي کټ ته راغلی و
ګوډ لین سره آوټ سوینګ کیږي او چې کله آوټ سوینګ کیږي سلیپ او وکټ کیپر د کے کے آر لپاره انسایډ ایج بولډ آوټ. غټه وکټه
رحمان الله زدران د عمران میر په تګ هغه هم په میدان کې نه پاتې کیږي. انسایډ ایج کلین بولډ آوټ. لال باز په خپل راتګ بریالی شو تر څو وکټ ترلاسه کړي. هغه هم د یوه داسې توپ وهونکي وکټ چې د دې لوبډلې د ملا تیر ګڼل کېده.
لوبې نقشه بدله ده او دا نقشه لال باز په خپل ګوتو باندې بدله کړي. په سټم باندې غوښتل بیټ داخلي حصہ دننه وکټو ته راځي سټمز کلیک کیږي بیلز غورځېږي. رحمان الله زدران زی ډریسینګ روم ته
د شاډ هڅه شوې ده ډګر ساتونکو ترمنځ وټن د لانګان او ډیپ میډ وکټ په منځ کې 4 منډې.
محمد ریاض چې د خپل بیټ مخه اخلاص کړه البته په بخین رحیم زرمته پول ته ولاړو سلو شاټ پیچو هلته ډیپ کې هیڅ څوک نه وو. بال د باونډري لاین نه بهر د څلورو منډو لپاره.
The ball is in the air. The fielder has got a chance to deep square leg taken. Another wicket down. So half of the team is back to the pavilion. 107 on the board for loss of 4.
That was played not perfectly. Not a lot of pause behind the bait that flecked that with a little bit of hesitation, and finally the ball was gone for a while into the higher, and the catch was taken simply. That should be taken exactly is been taken.
Look at that again. The ball was right on his pads. A low full toss. He wanted to flick it towards the deep extra cover, but the ball goes towards the square leg and taken the catch. A very good catch taken. It continues. Wanted to go for that. Appeal, and eventually given. So another wicket. Lalbas breathing fire from forehand. Edges again, and this time the ball carries towards the boundary line. The wicket keeper is in. Edges over the top of the third slip, and the ball 53, the lowest one.
This time just got it nicely over the fielder.
Better Masood Gurbaz is in a supreme touch, great form. He repeated the same task, taken in the deep. Another wicket down. This time Javed was not able to go and to play the same shot into the gap.
Selection was the same and execution wasn't great. Directly to the third man. That was an easy catch. He was ready. He was in the readiness, just taking that really easy. And wicket number 7 is gone. They put the pressure more. KKR is under pressure after having a glorious start.
Javed Saidi is back, consuming only 5 runs, 5 deliveries for his 9 runs there with the help of 2 boundaries. Still they can score if they utilize all the remaining overs there. Again this time he wanted to go for an uppercut straight to the
دوړه ولاړوي شاید 200 پسې هم لاړ شي او دلته د غټ شاټ هڅه لونګ آن د پاسه سویل زرمدي له بیټه شپږیزه
وروسته پیچ کړ لانګان هم نشته دی د جمعه سلطانی په توپ اچونه کې او دلته موقع او فرصت او سهیل خان زرمتی لپاره ډېر ښه استفاده ورځینې وکوله شپږ منډې اوږده شپږیزه په لانګان باندې
خیال زیات ښه لګیا دی نن لږ څه قیمتي دی رحمان الله عمران لږ څه منډې ته ترلاسه فاین لیګ باندې لوبونه ده هڅه کوي ډګر ساتونکي نه تواني کې او شاته بال نه ډېر ښه استفاده څلوریزه
پرله پسې دوه توپونو باندې دوه څلوریزې د رحیم زرمتي له لورې خلیل ډن سیالۍ کې تر ټولو ډېرې 15 منډې ورکړي دي ډیپ فاین لیګ او سکوئر لیګ ترمنځ څلورو منډو لپاره یې ولوباو تکرار وینو وروسته پیچ کړو لیګ سټمپ باندې هم لږ اسانه وه د رحیم زرمتي لپاره جمعه 53 منډې هم کړي ډېر ښه شاټ فیلډر نشته په ډیپ کې ګورو چې رسیږي او کنه د ډیپ کور شاټ او ټاپ کلاس
او سهډې چاو څلور منډې په اسانۍ سره شاټ مننه شپږیزه
سلور ون او دا ځل وکټ کیپر بیټ کیږي بیهایند شاټ او ډیر ښه شاټ دا ځل یوې ډبه کې وروسته بال له پولې تېر
زرمته وروسته توپ شاړه صدا په لانګان باندې یو باندې بسنه کې دوه ترازی او سهیل زرمته خپل وکټ د لاس ورکړي 215 هدف شو په شل اورونو کې
214 منډې جوړې کړلې کې یار 215 منډو هدف یې وټاکه د کابل زلمیو لپاره په پایلو دوهم اننګ سمیع الله سرماس وسیم اکرم پر وړاندې مډ آف د لوبې کې فیلډر شتا رحمان الله زدران او منډه نشته په لومړي بال
که څه هم هدف لږ لوړ دی
دویم بال کېږي بیا هم سمیع الله سرمست له لورې کټ او ډېر زبردست سکوئر کټ په ډیپ
2015 کال امیر حجزاده کابل غوره لیگ دریم پړاو سیالۍ وروستی پایلوبه شپږیزه بال ګراوند هم بیرون
نه یوازې سینیئر لوبغاړي بلکې ځوانان ډېر تر
بیک اف د لین تا ډېر ښه مډل کړ محمد وسیم صحیح مډل کړ پولی کړ په ډیپ مډ وکټ باندې او څلوریزې وروسته شپږیزه سه او خطرناک پیل د کابل زلمیو له لورې
هغه ډیر زړور کرکټ کوي د دې لوبډل مشر محمد وسیم
غټ شاټ پسې زی مډ اف کې رحمان الله زدران شته خو هغه لري دی او نشي رسېدلی څلور نورې منډې
بالکل هغه په سرکل کې د نن او توپ د لانګ اف منډې د باندې د څلورو منډو لپاره ورسېده دا یوه بله زیاتونه وه د کابل زلمیو لپاره د وړاندې څلوریزې تکراري لحظې
پنځم بال کوي د مسعود ګربز پر وړاندې بیا هم غټ شاټ سیم ایریا سیم شاټ ان سیم ریزلټ
له لباس داسې معلومیږي چې هغه د آی بي کرکټ کې خپل تمرینات ترسره کوي یو بل شاټ هم دی خو دا ځل لوری بدل دی شریفي د شاټ هڅه شوې ده ډګر ساتونکی کوي او نه شپږ منډې ترلاسه کیږي
هاف پل څه یو زبردست شاټ د مسعود ګربز له لورې ګوډلینډ کې ورته پیچ کړن سوینګ سره هغه ډیر ښه وڅاره دغه بال تکرار کې وینو څومره ښه شکل سره په ډیپ مډ وکټ باندې فلایټ یا هم په ډیر ښه شاټ ډیپ کور کې دوه فیلډران د بال نیولو
یعنی دغه گیم دغه لوبه لیډینګ یې ګڼلی شو ډګر ساتونکی په فاصله کې دی او بال له بونډرۍ بیرون ډیپ کور څلور منډې
بخت ښه دی د محمد وسیم قسمت له د سره دی که وګورو سوینګ او بیا هم د غوښتل په آن سایډ باندې د سنګل لپاره ولوبئ لیډینګ یې شو د بیټ سره معمولی لګیږي او په پوینټ کې فیلډر پوره هڅه وکوله ډیپ پوینټ کې څلور منډې ترلاسه شول
جاوید سیدي بیا هم د توپ او ډګر ساتونکی شته دی کیچ ترلاسه کیږي مسعود ګربز خپله وکټ د لاسه ورکوي
بریک تھرو جاوید سیدي هغه څه کوي چې د لوبډلې ضرورت و اړتیا وه ځکه مسعود ګربز او وسیم بیخي په زړه پورې پایل وکړو د کابل زلمیو لپاره خو د لوبډل مشر وظیفه هغه ډېره د ستایلو هغه ډېر یو په زړه پورې کیچ ترلاسه که په میډ آف کې
تکرار یو څه شاته لاړ شوی دی لومړي ځل باندې ټرای وکړه توپ له لاسونو منډې وایي خو
بال کېږي او سنیک د بیټ سره لګېږي ډیپ تر لایوبي له لورې بیا هم په ډیپ فاین لیګ باندې لوبېږي او څلور نورې منډې پرله پسې بونډریانې دي د ابراهیم پر وړاندې چې ترلاسه کیږي.
لوز و دا د هغه خپله خطا او غلطي وه او که داسې ترسره کیږي نو خامخا به سزا هم ګوري. په لیګ سټمپ کې ښه ګټه اخلي، ښه استفاده ده د نورالله ایوبي له لوري په ډیپ فاین لیګ باندې ټرایک اخلي. د شاټ هڅه ایج دی او بیا هم تړمن کې 4 منډې.
Ayubi is going to take the responsibility. There he goes big. High in the sky, the fielder coming underneath. And he drops. Imran Mir the guilty. Imran Mir the culprit. Long run, but he could not drop the ball.
Yeah, and Nurullah Ayubi got away with that and got another chance to stay on the wicket.
It should have been caught. Imran Mir is one of the fine fielder for the team. Kabul KKR but put pressure straight away. But this time he connects it. Oh, what a dive. He was struggling to catch that one. Went for a jump, but he couldn't reach. I think Muhammad Amin was the fielder on long off. He struggled. He tried his level best. He needed to jump even higher.
He tried it and he did his best, but he was just looking at the ball and couldn't do anything to stop the ball.
If you talk about Nurullah Ayubi, he's not a strong muscle boy, but the way he connects the ball, that's a poor line. Another boundary would be that. The ball runs down there to the boundary, and I think that's coming from the bat of Nurullah Ayubi. Only a faint edge.
Yeah, Nurullah Ayubi and Muhammad Wasim, they are trying for big shots and they are trying on and on for big shots. That's what I expected from this partnership. Both of them are doing great. Wow, what a great shot. It was an amazing shot and just went to the leg side. That was a great try and an amazing try.
Now Muhammad Wasim went for that shot. That was a thickish edge. Wasim was entrusted to target the onside. And the ball goes over the top.
Sometimes it happens.
This time there is a chance of a catch and he drops. The bowler Zahidullah cannot believe that. Once they had the experience of live match in Ayubi cricket ground. Outside edge. Beating the diving.
Riyaz. That was a great shot and just went straight to the fielder's hand and for Nurullah Ayubi to hit this 50.
High in the sky, it's high. The fielder is just watching. Long on fielder became a spectator. Very well coming under the ball and smashed that.
Yeah, that was a big one and that was a great shot by Nurullah Ayubi. I don't know why Nurullah Ayubi is trying and loves hitting big shots. I think every batsman loves big shots.
They know the importance. If they lose wicket, it's going to be a little tough for the batting side, so they're going to go after runs. In T20 format, when you need the required run rate of over 10, so try to smash the ball and try to control, not to just have wild swing blindly. Let's have a look. Slower one. This time it goes back straight as an arrow over the top of the bowler. Hits the side screen for another one.
And it's time for Nurullah Ayubi and he completed his 50 in this mate. That was a great 50 by Nurullah Ayubi. Look at this beautiful shot. It went straight to the boundaries.
And what a knock that was. Doing a great job. Nurullah is playing his natural shots. There he goes once again. He pulls that. And he goes over the corner for another one. The only fielder, Imran Mir, became a spectator for Shpagiza.
Yeah, Imran Mir is spectator for Shpagiza. You know, he's always looking at the big shot and can't do anything. Even the crowds are.
لاین چینج کړ رحمان الله زدران مخامخ بونډري باندې کیچ اوچت دی ډګر ساتونکی شته او وکټ.
دا ځل محمد امین لوګری بریالی کیږي چې کیچ ترلاسه کړي او دې سره دریم زیان او ډېره غټه وکټې بللی شو. نورالله ایوبي نن مین کرکټر د کابل زلمیو لپاره هغه داسې یو پاڼۍ ولوبوله چې یوه نه هېرېدونکې پاڼۍ ده. په پای لوبه کې 200 سټرایک ریټ سره لوبه وکړه. په 21 توپونو یې 2 شپېته ډېرې چټکې منډې وکړې. د لوبغالي هر اړخ ته یې شپږیزې او څلوریزې ترلاسه کړې.
رحمان الله زدران کیچ اوچاتی ایزی او اوټ
بریک تھرو کوي دلته ابراهیم عبدالرحیم ځای او غټه وایګټ د نور رحمان وایګټ ترلاسه کوي مخکې تر سره کړه غوښتل کور ډرایو ولوبي او بال ایچ کیږي په پوینټ کې او ډیر اسانه کیچ او دلته بل ځان ټرننګ پوینټ جوړېدلی سي همدغه ځای نه KKR بیرته ښه راتګ کولی شي او که نه
بالکل هغوی بیرته په لوبه کې ان کیږي او یو ښه حالت راګرځي پرله پسې 2 ویکټې ډېره ښه توپ نیونه ډېره ښه ډګر ساتنه
یو پر وړاندې ډیر ښه لوبیږي غټ شاټه سه ډیپ میډ وکټ د پاسه عثمان نوري له لورې وروسته له یو ډېرې خاموشۍ او شپږیزه
هغه خپله اوږده حوصله ماتوي بالاخره د ابراهیم شریفي پر وړاندې د شپږیزې هڅه او بریالی
ډیره مهمه شپږیزه کابل زلمیو لپاره تقریبا 13 توپونو باندې بونډري نه ورغلی او دلته عثمان نوري حوصله ماتوي ډیپ میډ وکټ باندې ډیر ښه پول کړ شپږ منډې مینوالو
آف ټم ته ځي او په فاین لیګ باندې د لوبېدو هڅه شوې ده
Sadiq Pacha making a lot of room for himself, wanted to go for a big one, going for the second one, but that's a direct hit. That's a direct hit and definitely throw, and he's gone. So the 5th wicket is down. Kabul Zalmay again lost the wicket. What a wicket! KKR again on the top. Now to Sadiq. Goes towards the deep mid wicket. The fielder is coming under it. He takes it. Sadiq Pacha is back to the pavilion. This is the 6th nail in the coffin.
Wicket number 6 is gone, and this time terrific moment for KKR. Jubilation. They're celebrating. Look at the last delivery. Wanted to go for a big one, folded nicely, but exactly executed wasn't great. And definitely fielder was ready and took that too easily. Deep mid wicket in this time. Look at that one.
Short pitch delivery. The time he hit the ball, the time he started going back to the pavilion, he knew that the catch was taken in the deep by Sohail Zurmati. Over down the leg side, the ball goes to the deep fine leg for another boundary. The runs are
Crease is looking around the ground. Look at this man. Oh, flicked it nicely. Finds the gap. Crack.
34 runs to get. Shot. Beauty.
Big match. This time outside edge. Narabundi comes for Kabul Zalmay.
He wants to accept the defeat. This goes. It's gone. It's gone.
Quality competition. This time there will be just a single. Misspelled. Oh, trouble.
Very expensive over so far. The run rate from 10.5.
Go for another one or not. This time just finds the gap. This time a slow one gets 4 runs for Kabul Zalmay.
Back to Shams, the man of the moment. Played it very well. Same shot.
Just wait to go to see
go in the crowd.
this kind of big jubilation. This time a good delivery, and that was nice. It was absolutely nice delivery.
Everybody is on the top of their feet. They know just only one run needed of a face. Sami. And that's the white one, and there is the victory. Kabul Zalmay, the defending champion, are the champions. What a performance! Absolutely outclassed KKR in all the 3 departments of the game. Now they are the champion again. 2025. The ground and as well as the great management. Excellent match by 4 wickets.
دا تلولی دا جام دی کابل زلمی لوبډلې ته مبارک وي او سږکال یې د تېر کال په څېر باندې بیا هم اتلولي وګټله 2 دا حمید حاجزاده کابل کرکټ غوره لیګ سیالیو د فاینل پړاو اتله لوبډله کابل زلمی
کابل زلمی قهرمان فصل 4 لیگ برتر کریکت کابل.